Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube, and I have a great review for you today. It's Fxview's review, how you can save money while Forex trading. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Fxview, including setting up a demo account, and I'll be going through that with you here live. And if you want to try them out yourself, you can get a free demo account when you use my link in the description. So a little bit about Fxview before we go on. Fxview is a low-cost online brokerage and is regulated by multiple authorities, including CSEC in Europe, FSCA in South Africa, and FSC in Mauritius. It is built by traders like us, so they understand what we need to trade. They're a cost leader in the industry with competitive rates, tight spreads, even during peak market hours. Low commission, $1 to 100,000 K, and zero cost funding. Fxview offers negative balance protection for worry-free trading, advanced tools to identify suitable opportunities, easy to use trading platform for desktop, web, and mobile devices with fast execution speeds and high leverage. Okay, we'll quickly look at their website first before I set up an account. So you can see here, spreads from 0 pips, and the leverage is massive, 500 to 1, and the minimum deposit for the global accounts is $50. Now, if you log in through Europe, this will be different. It'll be $200, and the leverage will also be 30x. And there's a few other differences between the European and the global services, but whenever it'll automatically go into wherever you are in the world. And a great thing here is I have different languages like Spanish, German, and so that's great. Portuguese, and if you're from Poland, Polish. So that's really good. A few key features is low cost and transparent. The client comes first. Safety of funds. Your funds are kept in segregated accounts. And so our traders are protected for up to 20,000 euros, okay, in case of any disputes. They've got really good technology, lightning fast executions, deregulated award-winning broker, you can see there, and that's always a great sign there. Most trusted broker 2022, Ultimate FinTech Cyprus. Some of the trading tools are to have a social trading feature, so they're built in with Zulu Trade. They've got an economic calendar. They've got an option here to invest with a fund manager or become a fund manager. And you have market insights, VPS, enjoy free VPS or choose from subscription packages. And they also offer indicator packages. They have API trading, develop trading strategies using our FIX or REST APIs. And they have a range of premier trading tools and analysis tools. Okay, so they have lots of platform options. You can access the world's most popular markets with a fast and reliable platform. So they have this on desktop, on your mobile phone, or you can do it through the web browser. So they have MT4, they have the MT5, and of Act Trader. Okay, trade the most popular CFD markets, explore endless trading opportunities in our feature-rich trading application. So you can fund your account with the following options here: lots, Skrills, MasterCard, Visa, even Bitcoin. And have an Fxview loyalty program, so you go up in stages from bronze to silver and gold, diamond traders, and you get different perks at different levels. And you can also refer your friend there and you can earn $20. But a great thing here is 100% deposit bonus. Double your deposits at no extra cost. Register now. So I just put in my email address, password, and phone number, and you can pick between global or Europe. And then I just got a code in my email to verify my email address. Click submit. Wow, I'm already in, guys. That was very fast. Okay, just put in my name, save and continue. Okay, so now you can pick which kind of demo account you would wish. I'm going to try the Act Trader, and you can check your base currency here. We can check that too with the US, Europe, or the Great Britain pounds. And now that could be different for global users too. Now 500 leverage. I'll try this one, and then I just click create account. Wow, that's already set up my account. Now you can download the ACT trading for your Windows or your Android phone, but you can just click trade now. Now you just need to check your emails for your login details and click login. And I'm already in, guys, and I can start trading on my demo account. Remember, if you want one of these demo accounts, use my link in the description. I love how it's already all set up for you. You have the Forex here, commodities, indices, US shares. Okay, so all you have to do here, and down the bottom already, the charts is already loaded up, and you can see that, and just press this escape. Now, the markets are closed at the moment, but if you want to open position, it's so easy. You come here, you go USD to Thai baht. You go buy or sell at market price, 0.01 lot, and click submit. And that is your positions open, and you come in here and the position will be opened here. Now you have all the indicators down here and everything that you need. Now, before I use a new broker, I always like to check Trustpilot to see what other people are saying. So they have great reviews here. They have a great score here of 4.2 overall, verified company. You can see here, affordable ECN, $50 for the forced minimum deposit is a bargain. Considering the trading conditions of the broker, it's hard to find a broker with real ECN execution and a low minimum entry ticket simultaneously. You can try, but it will take you some time to do. So I thought the company was great ideas, interesting information. He would recommend this to friends and family. Now, you will see on our website, make sure you come to the website through my link in the description and you get that free demo account, and you support my work for free. Remember, to have so much here. To have the virtual private server, indicator packages, lots of tutorials, and even have Islamic accounts, swap-free accounts. Funding and withdrawal fee-free starting from $50, and they're also built into Zulu Trade where you can use our copy trading feature. MQL5, subscribe to signals directly from MT4, MT5. They have the API trading, and they're very transparent with their spreads. You can see here at the front page, if you want to see all their spreads here, you click here. They're a low-cost broker, so you can go through them yourself. Again, I just want to come back here to their 100% deposit bonus, which is massive. You can see here, your deposit is 200, bonus applied, so you get 400. And if you invest 1,000, bonus applied, you get 2,000. And all you have to do is fund your account and click the button request bonus. And then you get an email and you just follow the instructions there. So if you're looking for a low-cost broker with tight spreads, low commission, 100% deposit bonus, negative account balance, Fxview is for you. And remember, use my link in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye-bye. Remember, you can lose money while trading complex products. Trade carefully. Terms and conditions apply.